Today we are making the absolute cutest candy corn cake cones. They are so cute, and look how cute they are on the outside. Total candy corn, we love it, but there's also a fun candy corn surprise on the inside. Welcome back to Chaleese Bakes Cakes. To get started making these fun candy corn cake cones, we have to make the batter. All right, so I just have some vanilla cake batter here, and I just separate it into 3 different bowls, and I'm gonna dye 1 orange and 1 yellow, and we're gonna keep 1 white. I guess you know why, right? Because it's candy corn day here. Now we have our 3 different colors, and we are going to fill up these ice cream cones. After we have our 3 different color batter, we are going to put them in piping bags. I just cut a little tiny snip off the end of 3 piping bags, and we are going to fill the piping bags with the cake batter. All right, now that we have them filled, look at the fun colors. It's just so candy corn. I just love it. All right, now we are going to fill up these ice cream cones, guys. We're gonna start with yellow. Make sure you do the right colors in the right order, because I made that mistake where I don't put the colors of the candy corn in the right order. So make sure. We're gonna start with yellow. And we're just gonna put a little bit down in the bottom. And then we're gonna get our orange, and we're gonna put a little bit on top of there. And then we're gonna put a little bit of white. So we're just gonna keep doing that little pattern all the way, and as many cake cones as you guys are gonna make, just fill those up, guys. Now that we have our ice cream cones filled with cake, we are gonna pop them in the oven. I have it at 350 I'm baking them for about 15 minutes. Watch them. They bake a lot slower than you would think, so just watch them close. While those are baking, we are gonna make our buttercream, and we're gonna do the same exact thing, you guys. We have to make some orange and yellow, and we're just gonna leave this vanilla buttercream white because we're making a candy corn on top too. All right, so just dye that buttercream orange and yellow. Now we're gonna fill these piping bags with, you guessed it, our buttercream, except this time we're using the 1M tip. Look at these fun cake cones. They just came out and they look so good. So fun. All right, now you're gonna frost them, guys. So we need to make it look like a candy corn. So once again, we're gonna start with the yellow, and we're gonna do a little swirl. We don't need to do big swirls because we're gonna stack this frosting up. So we're gonna do a little swirl of yellow and a little swirl of orange. And we're gonna top it off with a little dollop of white. We'll top those off with, of course, some sprinkles and a little mini baby candy corn just for fun. Look how cute they are. They could be my favorite. They're so cute, guys. Now comes the fun part. We have to cut into these fun cake cones to see what surprise we made inside. So all I'm gonna do here is just get my knife. We're just gonna cut right down the middle. They're so cute and so bright. The only thing that I noticed here is that the white is so far at the top. I kind of covered it with buttercream, and it kind of disappears under it. So if you guys want it to be a little bit more defined as a candy corn, make sure that you don't put quite as much yellow and orange, and leave room for that white. I thought I left a lot of room. Clearly, I did not leave enough. Just look at the cuteness. I can't stop staring at them. I love them, and they're so easy. You guys can go home and make these right now in your kitchen. Do it and let me know how it goes. Have an awesome day, and make sure to subscribe to my channel, guys.